Hello guys, it's Deuce here, and I'm going to teach you how to make a platformer on Scratch. So first, you start out with the red green front click. And then if you want to create a player like this, you're going to need hitbox. And how to create a hitbox, all you have to do is, name a hitbox, and do this. Put it to the back, use the shift key, delete it all, until you only have the hitbox stuff, like this. Or you can make it different color, like this. But this is the important part. Make sure it combines with the same exact thing as the cat or player you want to add. And then at the end, name it hitbox. You can name it player. Then now let's go back to the code. When flag clicked, then we create some variables. X for this part only, Y for this part only. We set these two variables to 0, and then we'll make some useful fit. Let's just make it roll. You can name it anything you want. Add movement. And make sure that your block name runs without the screen refresh. And then put in a forever loop. And then I'm just going to add my script here. This is my scrolling platformer script. So we're gonna copy this. It's switch costume to hitbox. Set rotation style left, right. Well, I don't actually put that in there. Wait, where's this script? Oh, I don't have that script in my backpack anymore. So let's just do it. If right arrow D key press, or this is mobile controls. This is going to be mouse down, and the mouse X means your finger is greater than the X position of your player, but for me it's cat. Then we set our direction to 90. Then we change our X by 1. Oh, delete the scroll X variable. And then also the my variable. Then you duplicate it with some minor changes. Make it -90. Make it left arrow. These drop down bars are from my extension called Scratch Add-ons. They have drop downs, because without them, it's like this. None. That's why I use the block jack drop down. Now then we change it like this. And there's also block switching. Then we do change X by our X variable, not this X variable. Then as you see, oh, either both 1 by 1. There. And we can't stop controlling it. That's the problem. No. Now we grab an if else. Now this will be the hard part, because we're going to add wall jumping, which would be lots of complicated scripts. So I'm going to go slow on you to do this tutorial. And we have to do touching ground or level or platforms. Okay, here's the hard part. Make it slow. If direction equals 90. Yep, make sure it's just like this. and then you do set y to 12, and then you do change x by -10, and then I think we could do it like this. If direction equals -90, then we still set the y to 12, but change the x by 10. So what this do is the wall jump script. And then we do change x by x, but instead we're changing it by the x position by -1. So the x is 2. But if it was times by -1, it would be -2. And then we set the x to 0. Else we set it to itself, but 0.9. We set it to itself times 0.9. Then we do the same thing, but we'll delete these wall jump scripts. Except for one set y to 12, any favorite one you want. Throw that one away. Then you just borrow it from here. Be sure it doesn't connect to this, or else it's gonna look like weird stuff. So we don't like that. Then we put an if. Arrows. Then mouse y in the y position. So y to 12. Not x this time. I'm gonna read out. I converted it to for all sprites. This sprite only. Yeah, Scratch also has that. But it's not annoying. Anyway, back to the tutorial. Then this, we do change, but not to -1. And then we put this script in here, but so we do change y by y. Oh, look. Hope it works when we touch it. Isn't it funny to play around with this? Anyway, make your level. I'm going to call it level. You can call it ground, levels, or platforms. And then we create a ground. This will be the grass. This will be the ground under there. I'm going to make this a brownish color. Make it go to back layer. Actually, no. I want to make it go. This one go higher. Remove the outline. Draw a straight line. Then find a line. Make it dirty. No, like not the word dirty, like the number dirty. Then let's just set this down a bit. Let's just disk. Oh, we actually made a mistake. It's supposed to be like this. Anyway, touching level. And then, now, wait. You know what? I don't feel secure about that. I'm just going to use it. Oh, no. Scripts inside. That script looks like a weird script. Then now, yep. And then this will be if you're jumping. Let's just borrow this if. Hope you can just grab an F for you. And then you do this. Let's just move this. And then what else do we do? Change. This is for the direction 90. Else. And now our wall talking scripts should be ready. Now let's just do go direct 0y0. See what happens. So I don't understand, why does it do that? I've done that. Oh, maybe it was 0.8 and plus. No, not 0.2. Maybe Y100? Don't do it, don't do it. Hey, but it's not that much, 0.19. Oh, but it keeps doing that. Something's off. Yes, we have copied the whole script. Oh, now I know. It's supposed to be up here. Yes, it does. Now it works. We have her. Now, remember that wall jumping script I told you about earlier? Now we're gonna test it. Make sure that it is like this. He's kind of like pushing himself because we had mobile controls. It's not very smooth. Then, oh my god, look at that, fellows. We have added wall jumping to our platformer. Our platformer is getting pretty in shape. Of course, not smooth wall jumpy ones, but still got wall jumping. Now, let's work on the other levels. Scratch. I broke him. So now, let's go to level 1. Now, we're actually gonna add something. Let's add a spike. Let's do around the corners. Go boy, 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 boy. And now we just got. At the end, we always switch because if touching color, because it's touching color spikes, then we set x and y to 0. Then we go to x 0, oh, x negative 50, y 100. Huh. What's this? So right now, we can just go through this. Well, I'm gonna make it more dinner for him. So we can actually still go through. Wait, I'm touching both colors. Oh, the whiskers. It's the whiskers. Six, everything good. So now let's switch the other side. Oh yay! Now guys, I just tested out my new video. My new project. Let's just do 272. Less than the X position. That means we have to change the level. Then we gotta go to X. Well, we can keep the Y position, but instead we have to go to X position plus -1. And now put in the script. Ooh, dang. And there you go, guys. I want to have more levels. Plus, I'm going to send a link in the description. But I promise you. I promise this is not a scam. I really promise. Then let's just add another spike. Oh, I broke him again. Oh, actually, no, I'm gonna make it lower to make it more challenging. You can just use the side cheat. It turns out, yes, you could do a side cheat. Or I could do it the platformers way. I could do it the way I see my platformers. The platformers I play, I do it like this. And then, they kind of like move. Dang! Chill, Scratch Cat, chill. I just pulled up the alt. Dang. And then, now, oh. I think it would be easier like this. Oh, dang. Oh, yeah. Okay. Now, leap of faith. And I receive change level. Next costume. And then, oh, sorry, Scratchy, didn't mean to hurt you. Maybe we should increase the depth of our jump. 16, just for cheating. Believe when I say, number 5. Okay, now we did it. Oh,